Oh, hey, when is the last time I replaced the toilet fill valve? Oh man, quite a few years ago. But I know I can do it because I've done it before. I have not opened this yet. Okay. We'll get this pulled out and take a quick look at all this stuff in here. Make sure I've got everything out of the box. You can read certain things on here to give you ideas on different things, okay? And see, here's one part where it talks about adjusting the height. We'll have to take a look at that. It also comes with a whole kit and caboodle directions, quick install guide, okay? And so you can look at that. And it also talks about troubleshooting. So if you ever have an issue after you install it, what to do about it. And this is where on the troubleshooting, it'll show you on a brand new one how to remove the top and how to reinstall the top. You see right there? See how it says to pull up, turn counterclockwise, and I believe you have to push down on it. Left hand twist cap and lever arm counterclockwise to unlock cap. Let cap hang. Okay, push up, grip with left hand. Okay, I guess you don't have to necessarily push down. I've always kind of pushed down on that, but you have to push. You lift this part up and then turn this counterclockwise. And then see how he's got a cup over the top of it? He's holding the cup. Hold empty cup upside down over uncapped valve to prevent splashing. Turn water supply on and off a few times. And then replace the valve cap, and you do it the same way, and it gives you directions here. And it also gives you directions on replacing the seal. Remember? I showed you, you can buy the seal separately. Okay? And basically you go through the same steps. Okay? And it shows you all kinds of other things here. I thought it interesting just looking at this. Water level in tank may be too low. Half inch below top of water line is recommended. Now years ago they said 1 inch is recommended. Now maybe they've made these, they've built these a different way where they want it 1 inch or half an inch. If you get it down too low, maybe the water level in your bowl is too low, and maybe it's not filling properly. Maybe you've got your water down too low, so you want to adjust it so it's a half an inch. Do you see what I mean? So this is good. This information here is very good, and so I would read that stuff along with my video. Everything kind of goes hand in hand. We'll look at this here. I'll just keep the camera going here. Okay. Here's the little thing that goes on top. Here's the pipe, and I'll show you about that. It pushes on there, and I thought that interesting. It didn't come with the little clip. Oh yeah, there's a okay. I see what they've done. This pops on the top. And that holds everything, and then you put this on the top. Unlike how this old one is. You see the old one doesn't have this whole thing. You see how the pipe is kind of stuck down in there? Well, it's attached with this little S hook. And if you don't have this S hook on there, by the way, you say, just take this pipe and push it down there. Well, guess what? If you push that down there too far, and if your pipe is sticking down more, let's say it's sticking down, 2 or 3 inches, the last of it, just push it down there, that'll hold it, that'll be fine. Did you know that this can act as a suction? And maybe everything is working fine, but your toilet is draining. Somehow your bowl is draining, and every 15-20 minutes you hear that your toilet's running to fill the tank back up, and for some reason you're racking your head. What is going on? Is it the toilet? Is it the flapper that's leaking? Is it the other thing underneath the flapper that's leaking? Where is it leaking? I don't see where it's leaking. And so I fixed that, I replaced that and everything, and it's still running. It could be because this pipe is pushed down too far. Okay, that'll cause, I don't know why, but it'll cause it to siphon the water out of your tank. Okay, trust me, that's just something about it too. Okay, so on this particular one, this thing here it's split right there, see? And that just goes in between there, and it pushes down. I'm going to push that down on there. So when I get it pushed down, it's only going to go down to there, see? Right to there, like that. And then I'm going to hook the black pipe on that. And they give it plenty long, and then I'll end up having to cut that to adjust it so it's just a little bit. I don't want it pushed all over the place, okay? So it looks like even though you may be a DIY beginner, you might think, he's making it sound kind of easy, but I know it's not as easy as he claims it to be. Well, newsflash, it is pretty simple. Okay,